We're reasonably pleased with the results that we just released. What's pleasing is that all our operating businesses are now in place. What we need to do going forward is really to make sure that all the operating businesses are producing good profits, sustainable growth going forward. The investment side of our business, there is a lot of cleaning up that needs to take place. As you would have seen that on the fair value adjustments, we actually recorded quite a big decline, largely as a result of some of the remnants of the cleaning up that we did last year. I think that we would continue to do cleaning up. Just to talk a little bit about our investments going forward in terms of the strategy, we would like to focus mainly on the areas where we've got some level of influence. So going forward, you won't see us investing in businesses where we cannot have influence. But just to talk a little bit about our operating businesses, we have the asset management business, which is going to be core going forward, and that's where we've now deployed Butana Khoza, who used to be the MD of the business, to go and drive that business. We also have our securities business, which really services the institutional institutions. That's continued to do reasonably well, but that business is tough, and we continue to see margin squeeze in that business. But we think that we're well positioned, and we think that we'll continue to grow that business. We scale down on the property side. Our intention is really to get back into property. We did very well. We grew that business from nothing, and we sold it beginning of this year. The private client business is one area that we consolidated over the last sort of like 2 years. That business recorded a break-even position, but we think that there's huge scope to actually grow that business. So you would see going forward that we would dedicate a lot of energies and resources into that area. We will probably be buying some businesses as well as growing through organic growth. Following the sale of our property asset management business, we did declare a dividend of 30 cents. That was really comprised of 5 cents, which was our maiden dividend, as well as a special dividend of 25 cents. Our intention going forward is to continue to declare dividend at least once a year. We think that the business is at a stage where we can afford to declare dividend and grow it year after year from there. As I've mentioned before, all our operating businesses are producing cash, and going forward we'll drive the operating businesses as hard as we can to make sure that we produce returns for our shareholders. The headline earnings, I think we grew at revenue level about 16%. That's a decent growth. If we didn't have the fair value adjustments which affected our earnings, we would have shown a growth at operational level. We're not happy with the fact that we didn't show growth at operational level. Going forward, we'll make sure that there is growth at operational level. Obviously, with the sale of the Vunani Property Fund Management Company, we're showing a big growth in the earnings as a result of that, and that also has resulted in us having quite a reasonably big pile of cash. The businesses themselves would have generated additional 31 odd million during the period, and we're currently sitting with plus or minus 71 million in cash. That's a nice position to be in the sense that as we do deals, we'll be able to use that to put in deals so that we don't have to share like we've done in the past, where we've had to rely on the banks and they charge interest as well as participate in the upside.